Hey ho, let's go! Here we are again in the Campo Grande metro station. We're gonna do a classic walk today. We're gonna walk down to the Tagus River. In case you're not sure yet where we are here. First we're gonna pass this park, Parque Eduardo VII. Good, there was a nice construction zone. This is the Marquês of Pombal. After the 1755 earthquake, he saved Lisbon with the famous order, bury the dead and heal the living. He introduced the world's first earthquake-proof grid system. That is why he stands here today, forever looking down at the city he rebuilt from the ashes. That was Marquês de Pombal. Let's head on now to the Avenida da Liberdade. In the shade, it's getting a little bit chilly, so luckily I brought the hoodie. Please. Small side quest. Let's go up. But yes, Lisbon is built on hills, so let's go climb some hills. Why did I put my hoodie on? Now I'm warm again. It is what it is. I think that should be the name of my channel. It is what it is. You might be asking me, Daniel, when we are walking down to the river, why are we now walking up the hill? I will show you that in a moment. It's very quiet here. We are in the center of Lisbon and there's nobody here. Crazy, right? The reason I brought you here is that you have a very nice viewpoint here, a Miradouro, that almost everybody misses. In the summer, this fountain is full with water and it's being used as a public pool. People just don't come here. It's very strange. So now we're in Baixa, the lower town, very close to our end point of today, Praça do Comércio.
É minha.
Well, there we are again. It was a nice walk. Muito obrigado. But for now, I will say cheerio. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.